Everyone says you need to invest, but no one tells you how to start, especially when you're broke, busy, or don't trust Wall Street. So let me give you the truth. This is the No BS Beginner's Guide to Investing in 2025. Step 1. Shift your mindset from spending to owning. When you buy Nike shoes, you're a consumer. When you buy Nike stock, you're an owner. That's the mental shift. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about turning your money into soldiers that work for you. Even when you're asleep, you're not just buying stocks. You're buying time in the future. Step 2. Start with what you know. Most beginners get overwhelmed because they chase hype. You don't need to invest in biotech or crypto coins with dog faces. Start with companies you actually use. Apple, Amazon, Google, McDonald's, Nike. If you're using it, millions of others are too. You're already spending money with these companies. Why not get paid back? Step 3. Use fractional shares. You don't need $3,000 to buy a full share of Google. You can invest with as little as $5 using platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, Public M1 Finance. Fractional shares let you own a piece of any company. That means no more excuses. Step 4. Index funds and passive power. If you don't want to pick individual stocks, here's the smart move. Buy index funds. What are they? They're baskets of the top 500 companies in America, like the S&P 500. Instead of picking one winner, you're betting on America as a whole. Warren Buffett says this is what he'd leave his money in. You earn dividends, you get long-term growth, and it's autopilot investing. Look for VOO by Vanguard, SPY by SPDR, FXAIX by Fidelity. Invest regularly. Don't try to time the market. Let compound growth do the work. Step 5. Automate Plus. Never sell in fear. Set up recurring deposits, $10 a week, $50 a month, whatever you can. And when the market dips, that's the discount aisle. Don't panic, accumulate. Wealth doesn't go to the smartest. It goes to the most consistent. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Here's the real secret. The earlier you begin, the harder your money works. Even $100 today can become thousands over time. Investing isn't magic, it's math plus patience. Learn, hustle, grow. This is Mind on Millions, and this is how beginners build wealth.